Okay, for the integral of exponential functions, we have two formulas here. The first one is integral of a to the u with respect to u is equal to a to the u over ln a plus c. As an example, let us evaluate this. The integral of 4 raised to 5x with respect to x. So here, we let u be equal to exponent of 4, which is 5x, and then getting du is 5 dx, divide both sides by 5, we have du over 5 equals dx. So this will become 4, you know that 5x is u, and then dx is 1 over 5 k du. Now copy 1 over 5, apply the formula. Diba kung ano ito, siya ito, at ito ay yung ating base. So, gawin natin din eh. So, copy the integrand, which is 4 raised to u over ln. Ang kanyang base ay 4. And then, of course, plus c. So, the final answer is what? 1 over 5, 4 raised to u, what is u? Is 5x, and then you have to put ln 4 here, and then plus c. Okay, now let us have another example. Let's say you want to evaluate 2 raised to 3 ln of x. Lagyan natin ng x sa ilalim. So here, our u equals 3 ln of x, okay, and then du is of course 3 over x dx. Now the integrand will become, we have here 2 integral of 2 raised to u. We know that dx over x is du over 3. So here 1 over 3 du. Applying the formula, we have 1 over 3, copy 2 to the u, and then ln of 2 plus c. So we have 2 over u is 3 ln of x, and then 3 ln 2 plus c. This is now our final answer. Okay, let us have another example. Let's say you want to evaluate integral of sine theta times 4 5 to the 5 cosine theta d theta. So in this case, we let u be equal to 5 cosine theta. Getting du is negative 5 sine theta d theta. Dividing both sides by negative 5, we have negative du over 5 equals sine theta d theta. As you can see here, this is 4, copy 4, 5 cosine theta is u, and then sine theta d theta is negative 1 over 5 du. Now we can use our formula. 1 over 5, copy 4 raised to u over ln 4, and then plus c. Okay, we know that u is what? 5 cosine theta, so 5 cosine theta over 5 ln 4 plus c. Now for the second formula, we have integral of e to the u with respect to u is simply equal to e to the u plus c. Okay, let us evaluate this. Evaluate integral of x e raised to 3x squared with respect to x. So here, our u will be the exponent of p, which is 3x squared. Getting du, we have 6x dx. Divide both sides by 6. We have du over 6 equals x dx. Okay? So, this integrand will become e, copy e, 3x squared is u, x dx is 1 over 6 du. This is the same as this one. This is equal to this one. We have 1 over 6 e to the u and then plus c. But what is u? We have 1 over 6 e raised to 3x squared plus c as our final answer. Okay, napakasimple mga mata. Another example. Let's say evaluate integral of e raised to sine 2x. So dx over secant 2x. Okay? So for our solution, we let u be equal to exponent of e. Ang exponent ng e? Sine 2x. And then du is 2 cosine 2x dx. Okay? Divide both sides by 2. We have what? Du over 2 equals cosine 2x dx. So in our integrand, we don't have what? We don't have cosine 2x. But we know that 1 over secant 2x is cosine what? Cosine 2x. So we have here e raised to sine 2x, and then 1 over, as I've said, 1 over secant 2x is cosine 2x, and then dx. So we have here sine 2x is u, and then cosine 2x dx is du over 2, so 1/2 du. Applying the formula, we have 1/2 e raised to u plus c. But what is u? U is sine 2x. So we have 1/2 e raised to sine 2x plus c as our final answer. Okay? Another example. Let's say we want to evaluate integral of e raised to square root of x over square root of x with respect to x. So here, our u is square root of x. We have du. We know the derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. So 1 over 2 square root of x. Just write dx here. This is differential. Now multiplying both sides by 2, this will give du. 2 du, of course, dx over square root of x. So itong square root of x na ito ay hindi ito, kundi exponent ng e. Baka kayo malito. Okay? So what will happen to this? With e raised to u, dx over square root of x is 2 du. Applying the formula, we have 2 e raised to u plus c. But what is u? U is square root of x and then plus c. Okay? Now, let us have one more example. Let's say evaluate integral of e raised to tangent x and then secant squared x dx. So here our u is equal to tangent x. What is du? Secant squared x dx. Ayun, shoot na. We have here, this is e, this is u, secant squared x dx is du. So we have a to the u plus c. But what is u? Tangent x. And then plus c. That's our final answer. Okay.